For example, he said to me, I am your friend. ये past tense में है, reporting verb, और reported verb जो है ये simple present में है, तो ये convert होगा simple past में. He told me that he was my friend. अब यहाँ पर simple past जो है वो इसमें convert होगा. Number 2, second possibility, अगर if reported verb is in present indefinite, तो ये अपने corresponding tense में यानी past indefinite में change होगा. For example, he said to me, I do my work. He told me that he did his work. तो यहाँ पर हमने do को did में convert किया, यानी this is present indefinite और present indefinite into past indefinite. Number 3, present continuous will be changed into past continuous. He said to me, I am doing my work. Simple sentence. He told me that he was doing his work. Number 4, present perfect tense will be changed into past perfect tense. He said to me, I have done my work. He told me that he had done his work. Present perfect into past perfect. Present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous. He said to me, I have been doing my work. Present perfect continuous. He told me that he had been doing his work. Number 6 possibility, अगर if reported verb is in past indefinite, तो ये past indefinite में भी इसको रख सकते हैं या इसको past perfect में भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन इसके लिए भी एक फार्मूला है. past indefinite कहाँ पे रखेंगे, past perfect कहाँ पे रखेंगे, इसके लिए एग्जांपल हम लेते हैं. He said to me, I did my work. Second example, he said to me, I did my work yesterday. अब इस एग्जाम्पल में रिपोर्टेड वर्ब जो है, इससे अंदाजा नहीं हो रहा कि जब उसने कहा when he said, तो क्या उसका एक्शन उसी टाइम पे हुआ था या उस स्टेटमेंट देने से पहले हो चुका था. लेकिन सेकंड एग्जांपल में हम देखते हैं कि काम करना जो है कहने से एक दिन पहले हो चुका था. तो अगर ये एग्जांपल जिसमें कि रिपोर्टेड वर्ब और रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब के टाइम फ्रेम का हमें अंदाजा नहीं होता, तो फिर हम उसको पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में ही रखेंगे. इसकी इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन में क्या हो जाएगा, दिस सेंटेंस, he told me that he did his work. He said to me, I did my work yesterday. तो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के वर्ब से ये बात बखूबी सामने आती है कि रिपोर्टेड वर्ब जो है वो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब से पहले हो चुका था, लिहाजा इसको हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे पास्ट परफेक्ट में. He told me that he had done his work the previous day. सैटरडे इंटू प्रीवियस डे में कन्वर्ट होगा जी. नंबर 7 पॉसिबिलिटी, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस अगर रिपोर्टेड वर्ब जो है वो पास्ट कंटिन्यूस में हो तो इट विल बी चेंज इनटू पास्ट परफेक्ट continuous. He said to me, I was doing this job. Present continuous. He told me that he had been doing that job. Number 8. If reported verb is in past perfect tense, so there is no change in reported verb, यानी reported verb में कोई तब्दीली वाक़या नहीं होगी. He said to me, I had done this job. He told me that he had done that job. Number 9 possibility. If reported verb is in past perfect continuous, so no change in reported verb. He said to me, I had been doing this job. He told me that he had been doing that. Number 10. If reported verb is in future indefinite, यानी अगर will और shall हो तो will जो है वो would में कन्वर्ट होगा और shall जो है वो should में कन्वर्ट होगा. अगर पहले से would और should हो तो वहां पर हम would यूज करेंगे. He said to me, I shall do my duty. He told me that he would do his duty. 11. अगर रिपोर्टेड वर्ब में may हो तो वो might में तब्दील होगा और अगर might हो तो no change. He said to me, I may do this job. He told me that he might do that job. Number 12. Can, अगर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब में can हो तो वो could में कन्वर्ट होगा. अगर could पहले से हो तो no change in could. He said to me, I can do this job. He told me that he could do that job.